Clearbrow North Dallas, 2026 Tesla Model X. Stealth gray is the color, and it's a matte wrap or a satin wrap by the XPEL film, referred to as Stealth. So it's the Stealth wrap on the 2026 Model X. Let's take a look at our work and how we do things. So here's an example of how we do all our fenders, our corners. Everything gets wrapped in perfectly. When you come around over here, all this fully wrapped in. That's your A-pillar, fully wrapped in 100% each side. Mirrors, fully wrapped around here, fully wrapped around here. Coming around the top, fully wrapped. No gloss paint showing. Coming around our door handles, everything's wrapped in. All the edges fully wrapped in. Everything's looking fantastic. Let's go to the other side. After a quarter, all wrapped in. The port here for your electrical, fully wrapped in. And coming around our rear spoiler, 100% all the edges, corners. So far everything on this car, all your edges, all your corners are fully wrapped in. Your lift gate, and we roll the film up inside here for protection on that bumper. And then let's take a look at the rears here. Fully wrapped in on that rear quarter glass, all the way down. No gloss paint shown whatsoever. So it is Clearbrow North Dallas, Tesla Model X, full wrap XPEL Ultimate Plus Stealth film. It's just James. Need to get a hold of us, clearbrownorthdallas@gmail.com, clearbrownorthdallas.com. Phone number 214-414-3809, and cell 940-703-8301. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow us and like us. Take care.